Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious mixed noodles. First, let's gather our ingredients. You will need about 8 ounces of your favorite noodles, 2 cups of mixed vegetables, and 4 ounces of a protein like chicken or tofu. Also, prepare your sauce by combining 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get cooking. Bring a pot of water to a rolling boil and add your noodles, cooking them for about 3 to 5 minutes until they are perfectly al dente. While the noodles cook, heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan and sauté your protein for 5 to 7 minutes until it is cooked through and nicely browned. Remember to drain your noodles well and set them aside. Next, it's time for the vegetables. In the same pan, add a little more oil if needed and sauté your 2 cups of mixed vegetables for about 3 minutes until they are tender crisp. Then, introduce your cooked noodles and protein back into the pan. Pour your delicious, pre-made sauce over all the ingredients. Gently toss everything together, ensuring every strand of noodle and every piece of vegetable is beautifully coated. Your fantastic mixed noodles are now ready to be enjoyed. For an extra touch, garnish them with a sprinkle of fresh cilantro, a dash of toasted sesame seeds, or a pinch of chili flakes for a little kick. Serve your noodles immediately to savor their warmth and incredible flavors. Feel free to experiment with different vegetables, proteins, and sauces to discover your own signature mixed noodle recipe. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.